Okay, I just got a message from my dealer that I was buying my watches from that Tudor is apparently increasing the prices for their models. Looks like they're gonna increase the prices throughout the whole model line. All of them will cost more after January 1st, apparently. So I can't confirm it for sure. I checked on the website, on the Tudor website, on Canadian version Tudor website. Still, the prices are still the same as it was before. So they haven't changed anything publicly yet. But I got a screenshot from the new price line, and it shows the Tudor Black Bay 58 is increased by 220 Canadian dollars. So that's apparently apparently something new that going on with Tudor. I couldn't say that it wasn't expected. Amiga increased their prices on their Semester 300 meters model, and Tudor is a very popular. People are after models. It's hard to get them, hard to buy. Some of them are really hard to find. Like Tudor Black Bay 58 or Tudor Black Bay 36 millimeters, not easy to find. Some other models, even their royal models, some of them are not easy to find as well. So it's apparently a good time for them to do it. I'm not sure that I'm really happy about it. I'm glad that I got some Tudors already, so I have them. But yeah, if you are looking for a Tudor model, if you're looking for a Tudor watch, it's a good time to check with your dealer, to check with your stores, or with your local stores, what you have around, and see what you can get right now, because apparently price is gonna be higher after New Year. I remember I was looking to get this watch, Tudor Royal, in 38 millimeters, and it was really hard to get. I think I spent about 6 months or 4 months looking for it, and yeah, I found it here in one of our retailers, and I got lucky to get them. But I still see people looking for other Tudor models. Actually, it's really strange because, in my opinion, hype is not as high as it was before for Tudor models, but some of them still really hard to get. So yeah, that's the news, that's the situation. I hope it was helpful for you. I myself was looking to get the Black Bay 58. I was leaning towards blue version. I like them both equally, but I think blue appeals to me better, and I will check if I can get it still for this price, for the older prices. And so yeah, that's the situation, that's what's going on right now, and I hope that was interesting for you and helpful for you. If you're looking for Tudor, check it with your dealer, check it with your stores around you, and see what you can get if you want.